Let's see what cool surprises these colored crayons pencils have. Red pencil. Our first color is red. Let's open the pencil and see what's inside. Strawberry. Strawberries make an excellent jam. Crab. Crab runs along the shore near the ocean. Fire hydrant. Fire hydrant supplies water to extinguish the fire. The fire truck. Fire truck is needed to extinguish the fire. Tomato. Tomatoes can be added to pizza. Apple. Apples make an excellent juice. Orange pencil. Now let's open our second color. Carrot. Rabbits love to eat carrots. Fish. Fish swims in the rivers and oceans. Pencil. We need pencils for drawing. Cat is a favorite fluffy animal. Ice cream is a sweet frozen food that kids usually like as a dessert. Blue pencil. Our third color is blue. What could be inside? Glasses are typically used for vision correction. Boats can be used for recreation and fishing. Deer is a beautiful animal with large antlers. In kids' school bags, you can put a pencil case with pens. Bears are big fluffy animals. Green pencil. Our fourth crayon is green. From grapes we make sweet, delicious, healthy grape juice. Vines are a great source of shade. Celery is a vegetable that is consumed as food. Christmas trees are set up at home and decorated on days like Christmas. The frog lives in the swamps and loudly screams, "Ribbit!" The grasshopper has long legs and can jump very high. Pink pencil. Our fifth crayon is pink. Ice cream can be with different sweet fillings. Do you like ice cream? Earthworms fertilize the soil, thereby improving its condition. The pig lives on a farm or in the wild. In the wild, pigs eat everything: leaves, roots, and fruits. Cakes are baked for birthday and come with different fillings. Do you like cake? Roses are beautiful flowers with thorny thorns on the stem. These flowers make beautiful bouquets. In the shape of a heart, you can make candies, cookies, and balloons. Yellow pencil. Our sixth color is yellow. Lemon is a sour fruit, but very healthy and contains a lot of vitamins. Star. It can be seen in the night sky. School bus takes children to school for lessons. Crispy chips are made from potatoes that grow in the ground. The leaf grows on the tree and is green in color. When the leaves fall off, they change their color to yellow. Banana is a sweet and delicious fruit that children like. Snakes can crawl in trees and on land. They are masters of disguise and experienced hunters. Purple pencil. Our seventh color is purple. Purple popsicle with blueberry jam. Grapes are delicious berries. They come in different colors: blue, purple, and green. Fish. Fish swims in the rivers and oceans. Butterfly is an insect with beautiful, colorful wings. The plane rises high into the clouds and can carry many passengers. Brown pencil. Our last, eighth crayon is brown. chocolate bar can sometimes be with different fruit fillings. Pony is a little house horse for kids. Cookies with a lot of chocolate in them are crispy and just delicious. Lions, because of their size, strength, and predatory skills, lions are considered one of the biggest cats. Donut is a great treat. On the top, donuts are glazed with various powders. Pretzels. These delicious homemade soft pretzels are so easy to make at home. Squirrel is a small fluffy animal that jumps well in trees and collects nuts. Turkey is a big bird that has a similarity to chicken. So, we looked at all the colored pencils and toys. Goodbye, everyone!